Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful, responsive, modern material UI Bootstrap 5 admin dashboard template, totally free. So friend, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please post the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We see the beautiful admin dashboard template for you. Let me show you the quick full look. See the beautiful toggle sidebar, just brilliant. Wow. Search section, the languages bar, the applications, notification tab, alert, messages, log as well, and the beautiful dark theme and light theme toggle. Just beautiful user toggle as well. Guys, here is the beautiful sidebar section, sidebar nav with toggle functionality. Now, here's the content section. See the dashboard. See the beautiful section, insert carousel, user graph, see the beautiful graph chart, campaign, lead, revenue, expenses, and going down, overview, see a beautiful chart with the date range as well. Beautiful date time picker as well. And the profit chart, see guys, campaign chart, this brilliant sequence. The deals table as well. Silver funds, these tables work brilliant with fully function. Next page works well as well, friends. The full even charts, you guys. The full calendar works well. The full calendar and going down more. The session starts. The activity log to do. See, guys. And with the footer. And my friends, let me show you its responsiveness. So, guys, always it's fully responsive for you. So no need to worry about responsiveness. We work for all the devices. See my friends. Wait. See guys. We work for all the devices. So no need to worry about responsiveness. So guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. Friends, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. This is my blog. You can contact me via here. Contact and advice page. You will get my email ID, my Skype, and my WhatsApp number as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer. You can hire me on Upwork as well. And also on my blog, you will get multiple free things. I can say all the free things like multiple admin dashboards. See, guys, all are free of course. And the WordPress concepts, the Bootstrap 5 templates, e-commerce template themes as well. All are free. Let me show you one of them. See the real estate template, fully free. And for Angular stuff, you can get multiple things, my friends. O19, Angular e-commerce templates, Angular admin dashboard templates as well, my friends. See, guys, all are free. So, guys, this is it for today. And after it, I will come with more free dashboard as well. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like this video as well. And please share as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.